welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you the basics of a pas de bourree. I'm going to be teaching you a jazz pas de bourree and a ballet pas de bourree. And yes, they are two different things. I'm going to be showing you the basics of each and how to easily learn them and eventually master them. If you are ready to learn today, make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Without further ado, let's get to the video. To learn the basics of a jazz pas de bourree, start with your feet in second. You're going to take your right foot and cross it in the back. From here, take your left foot and go to second on releve, hitting this position. You can practice this movement over and over again. From here, take your right foot again and cross it in the front. Try it from the top. Back, side, front. Then you can repeat. Since your left foot is already in the back, start with it there. Back, side, front. Back, side, front. Practice this movement until you get it. Notice that when I finish crossing in the front, I bend both my legs into a plie. Therefore, the pattern goes back, side, front, plie. With all these things in mind, you've just learned how to do a jazz pas de bourree. Next, I'm going to be teaching y'all how to do a ballet pas de bourree. The difference between a jazz one and a ballet one is that the ballet one is usually more turned out, and instead of just doing back, side, front, you're doing more of a sous-sus, side, sous-sus. Let me show you what I mean. For the ballet pas de bourree, start with your right foot in a coupe. A coupe is where the heel of your foot attaches to the back of your leg. When you're doing a coupe, you have to make sure that your foot stays pointed. From your coupe, you're going to repeat the same movements as the jazz pas de bourree, but fully turned out. With your right leg in a coupe, you're going to go sous-sus, side, sous-sus, and then your left foot is going to go into a coupe. Repeat, sous-sus, second, sous-sus, plie. Sous-sus, second, plie, coupe. Notice how when I do my sous-sus, I'm squeezing my legs as tight as possible. When I open to the side, I'm staying turned out, and when I cross back in the front, my legs stay tight. Practice this movement until you get it. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had fun learning how to do a pas de bourree today. If you liked learning pas de bourrees with me today, make sure to like this video and drop a comment below which one you like better, jazz pas de bourrees or ballet pas de bourrees. I will see you guys next time. Bye!